Hello, Yaya here, the Mystic Diva, in person in my shop at Juju Apothecary. Y'all, today's product talk with Yaya, y'all. So, couple things. I don't have a picture yet, but I will if you reach out. Some really powerful spiritual soaps that I would like to share with y'all. If you have any questions about that, gotta use them for the 7 days and 7 nights, y'all. The Mother Soap. It's a beautiful soap that offers so much cleansing. Life-changing. That's all I want to say about that is life-changing. Reach out if you have any more questions about spiritual soap or any products that you might have questions of. I also want to do a little shout out. We make our own in-house Florida water, right? With Broken Oil Juju. I just did a post on this. This stuff, y'all, just saying, little note of rose, right? We also ship this, for y'all fellow readers, the divination oil. So use your